Welcome, in front of me is a Huawei Nova Y70 and today I'll show you how you can boot this phone into safe mode. So to get started, you'll want to hold your power key, select power off, and once the phone turns off you want to hold power and volume up at the same time. When you see the Huawei logo on the screen, you want to let go of the power key. And as you can see, this will take us to the recovery mode. So in here, select safe mode, and it looks like we need to do it using volume keys, and then confirm it with power key. And as you can see, we are now in safe mode. So in this mode, only the pre-installed applications will work, the ones that basically come with the device, and any apps that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled while in this mode. Now the design of this mode is strictly for troubleshooting, so once you're done troubleshooting your device, you can leave this mode by holding the power key and then selecting restart. So just press restart, the device will reboot, and then it will be back in just a normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.